Types of worldviews. All religions and philosophies form their ideologies based on these basic concepts. The first one is existence of the universe, the second, existence of God, and third, relationship between God and the universe. On the basis of these foundational concepts, we can categorize all religious philosophies and theologies into some basic groups. To get more updates, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. If you like this video, please express your views in the comment section. There are actually three possibilities. On the basis of the foundational concepts of the existence of universe, the existence of God, and their relationship, there are three possibilities. The first is only material universe exists. The second, only God exists. The third, both God and material universe exist. So we can say that there are three types of worldviews based on these three possibilities. The first worldview is atheism. According to this worldview, only material universe exists from eternity and there is no God. Nature and all the laws of nature are self-operating without any divine plan. The second one is pantheism. Only God exists from eternity and He manifested Himself into the material universe. So, in essence, the universe has the same essence as of God. Everything is divine. Many traditions, including Brahmanism, Platonism, Neoplatonism, Islamic Sufi view of Wahdatul Wujud, meaning unity of being, belong to this category with some varying degrees. And also, there are some derived forms of this worldview like panentheism, which says that the universe has the same essence as of God, but God is greater than the universe. Actually, this is also a derived form of pantheism. Similarly, some Eastern traditions, including Sikhism, may also be categorized into this worldview. And the third one is theism. This worldview says that God exists from eternity and He created the material universe from nothing. It means that the essence of God and the material universe is distinct. He could do so because He is all powerful, so He can create anything out of nothing, unlike the finite beings who can't do so due to their limited power. This view means universe is dependent on God, but essentially it is separate from Him. Abrahamic religions, Judaism, Christianity, Islam, philosophical theism, and some traditions of other religions fall into this worldview. I hope this video is interesting and helpful for you. We will meet in the next video soon.